Everybody's seeing crypto go up, but nobody's saying why crypto is going up. And today we're going to be looking exactly why crypto is going up and what's happening with crypto. So hopefully you're all doing fantastic today, because I sure am. There's some great plans for Bitcoin overall in the past few months, and also past few weeks. There's been some great updates overall, which I love to see. But the real importance here is, why exactly is crypto going up? I don't think anyone realized why YouTubers are returning, and there's a very simple solution to this. This is because the markets are just improving by itself, which is great news that I love to see. But also, people love to see that crypto is going up, because then the audience returns, the people start talking about it more, and just the natural effect that the markets are more fun. When it's a bear market, nobody does any investing, and it's not really a surefire or fun way to do anything. But when you go ahead and make those key development changes, that's when you have the actual improvements. So as I said, when the market prices go up, such as, the S&P 500, that is also how crypto improves, because they are both kind of correlated. Also, the thing with crypto is FTX, which went bankrupt about a year ago, there's rumors of it being talks that it's gonna survive and it's gonna relaunch. Now, this is just unconfirmed rumors, but this is once again, more crypto content creators, more influencers coming back talking about it, including me. So if you want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button. What I'm really excited for is crypto down in 2025. So halving is in 134 days, and 2027 is going to be another halving. So these halvings basically mean that there's going to be less crypto mined overall, and it's going to be harder to mine this crypto. It's going to be less profitable. So that's a pretty insane thing to me, which means automatically there's going to be a lower supply of Bitcoin. So the big institutions went in and they bought their own crypto. But there's also like the mainstream media talking about crypto now on the TV, which is another big thing. And that keeps me pretty excited. So if you guys want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button.
Or better. Hard to know what's driving this, but I know Kiana Daniel probably does, the Investiva CEO, cryptocurrency investing for dummies. So again, I'm a dummy on this. If we can get a sense of where this is and what's driving it, what would you say?
Hey, good morning. Okay, I lost you for a second. So yes, okay. Bitcoin has been up, and we're obviously excited about this, but some of the drivers in this particular point is probably just the predictions of the Treasury for soft landing of the economy and the U.S. economy growing faster than we thought before. Yeah. So these are mainly the economic side of things. But then on the Bitcoin side, we have MicroStrategy buying $600 million worth of Bitcoin, 16,000 Bitcoins, and really doubling down on their bullish attribution to Bitcoin. So I believe that was the whale that really initiated this. And also, I would say Michael Berry really backing out on his $1.6 billion short bet also kind of helped the markets being a little bit more optimistic. For now, we are eyeing the 42,000 resistance level over here, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a pullback, which would be very cool for me.
And that does seem to be the nature of the beast, kind of like that. You'll have a move forward, then a pull back. It's sort of like a claw effect. But what's interesting with Bitcoin's advance and some of the other cyber plays, it's happening alongside a stock market advance. Normally, not all the time, it's one or the other. So what do you make of that?
So it's interesting because back in the day, 2016 or so, the Dow and Bitcoin were kind of reversed. So it was, all right, this is the hedge against the stock market. Now, sometimes they have been moving together as more and more people add Bitcoin and other crypto assets to their portfolio. Yeah. And so it is becoming more of a whole of a market. It's not a completely different sector. Obviously, within the stock market, we have their different sectors. We have tech and health and food, and everything right now is actually moving in completely different directions. But Bitcoin and Dow, they're not completely correlated, but we have seen Dow going up in the past few weeks. And
so this is just a pretty quick clip from Fox News and also CNN and CNBC and Vice. Everyone is talking about crypto right now because it's coming back, and rightfully so. We saw the biggest bear winter market probably in history of crypto. We never saw such big crashes for a long time. And this was one of the biggest bear markets in history, which is pretty much insane. It lasted what? About, 2 years. It literally lasted 2 years until we got back at it. But to be fair, also the markets overall didn't last that good. So if you want more content like this, smash that like button and I'll keep you guys updated with more awesome news. Peace, everyone.